Hi guys, uh, my name is Rakesh and thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to discuss double versus big decimal and what are the challenges with double, what are the challenges with big decimal. So as we know that if any programming language like Java, C, C++, if they are dealing with that floating point number, there is challenges, always challenges in terms of accuracy. So I'll not talk about much on that, how they are going to deal with that internally and all. So I'll give one brief things over there in last. But before that, uh, in this video particularly, we'll discuss about that. Uh, what is the challenge in terms if we are going to use double, and in case of double, what we can use? Like we are having Java big decimal. Even though to create the big decimal, there is a multiple way we can create via constructor, we can create via the value of method. Even though in value of method we can pass kind of what kind of object means value like double or direct, or via constructor as well, some challenge there. So we'll see one by one. So okay, so we'll start from double first. So I'm taking one double d1, and here I'm putting d1 2.1. One more value I'm taking uh, d2, and this is 2.2. This is very generic answer you can find in any internet anywhere, and that's what I'm taking this example only so that we can relate with this and we can think more about that, we can learn more about that. Okay, so d1 plus d2. So now I'll print d3 here. You'll see that it means expectation is what it should be 4.3, right? So I'm running this program, we'll see that what is the output. It's building. Oh, you can see this is our expectation, and the value is coming like this one, 4.3000 something. This is not as expected. Okay, this is one thing. So I'll keep commenting what are the things we are getting. So uh, here this is our expectation and this is actual. Okay, now if we'll take again, means here uh, we'll create d1, but not by that one. We can double dot value of 2.1, same again here. Now we'll run it, we'll see same. This is again something which is getting failed here, means we are not getting exact value, exact answer. It's near to that, it's near to that. Okay, now we'll go via big decimal. We'll see that in big decimal how it's behaving. Okay, so I'm commenting this one as well. And big decimal, which is coming from Java the math package, and we can see this is a immutable arbitrary precision sign decimal numbers. That big decimal consists of arbitrary precision number. A lot of things is there. We can go through that. We can check it out further. So I'm taking this one b1 new, sorry, big decimal. This is 2.1. b2 and b3. So here 2.2 I'm taking here b2, here b3. Here what I'll do, b1 dot add b2. Now we'll try to print it b3. Let's see. This is again which is not okay, right? You can see. So this is what we are getting. This is again incorrect. Now we'll take another example here. Not by this one, but I'll take here big decimal dot value of. So we can see here value of is having is two kind, there is two overloaded method value of long and double. So we cannot pass here a string. Okay, so I'm taking this one. Okay, and now same we are running here. We see that what's happening. Oh, nice, we got that result. That's very nice. So means we can use this one, but I'll show you one problem in this case. So I'm taking the 4 and I'm going to put some large decimal places value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 again something like this. I'm trying to print same here d4 b4. Okay, so hopefully this should print. You can see here some value is chopped, truncated. We don't know means how they have done something like that. Okay, so again we can say this is not a perfect way of dealing with decimal, right? We cannot create a big decimal object via value of method because in this case this is getting failed, right? Now I'll take another example here and just I'm commenting out. uh, Now and I'll take new big decimal and I'm passing here double quotes instead of this one. So I'm taking as a string, right? I'm taking as a string, same thing here as well. And b2, nice, same here. I'll take, we'll see that what's happening. Oh, so even though 4.3, that's fine. And what about this one? We'll see. Uh, Sorry, just I'm matching with this value so that we can compare exactly. Oh, why it's happening? Because of formatting, sorry. Hmm. So this is correct one. So via this way, we can easily do that. So ideally what big decimal, whenever we are means we are having very much we want that accuracy in terms of decimal places, long decimal places. Some this is ideally happening in the finance domain. I mean that if you are dealing with any figure amount, amount, dealing with finance things and all, in that case definitely your decimal place is having more importance, right, as compared to your this value. So in this case we should go via big decimal. And even though if you're going to create a big decimal, if possible, not even possible, I'll recommend it, go through the string constructor things so that you will get more precise, more correct value. Okay. One thing about this big decimal is what this is slower than compared to double operation and all. So whenever accuracy is not as much as important compared to that fastness and execution time, in that case we can choose that double. This is one thing. Apart from that, I want to tell you, means as I told you that I'll show you, means I'll tell you why these things is happening, means why this kind of discrepancy we are seeing, that why is not correct and all. This is all about uh, IEEE 75 form. So please go through these things and we'll come to know exactly what's happening, what is not and all. Even though from the Oracle side as well, they have told that what is the floating point, where arithmetic what things they are doing or not. Okay, so that's it from this video. Thank you so much for joining. We'll meet again next video. Bye bye.